As China further optimizes its COVID-19 response, the country's consumption is gaining momentum with shopping, manufacturing, and tourism booming again. Baoding in Hebei province is one of the first cities to have gone through the peak of COVID-19 infections recently. As the year 2023 begins, life and business have gradually returned to normal, with shopping malls and scenic spots crowded with people again.
整体来说呢，保定开放之后呢，我觉得我们的恢复情况还是非常不错的。截止到现在，我们的客流量基本上恢复到了19年的50%左右，日均的客流量呢已经达到了这个3万左右。
Zhao says the mall is expecting more customers in the upcoming Spring Festival holiday. The booming consumer market also stimulates the city's production and supply sectors.
目前通过当地政府的支持及公司生产班次的调整，实现了较11月份产能提升80%，全面实现了人员的复工100%，积极地完成车辆的交付，满足春节前的市场需求。
The city's tourism has also seen a rebound, with ice and snow tourism and winter sports gaining popularity in a northern Chinese city.